AI agents are starting to become really interesting for recruitment because they can handle complete workflows, not just single tasks. So in this video, I'm going to break down what that actually means, not just in theory, but also practically. What can AI agents do for recruitment companies when it comes to finding candidates and finding potential customers? The first area is candidate acquisition. A recruitment company can define what kind of candidates they are looking for, role, location, experience, industry, skills, seniority. And instead of searching through different platforms, agents can start working through that search process. They can help identify relevant profiles, structure the results, compare candidates against the criteria, and then find contact details. Save the best profiles into a project and then prepare them for the next step. So the value is not only that you can find candidates faster, the value is that the full flow becomes more connected. Search, source, qualify, save, and prepare outreach. That is the candidate side. The second area is client acquisition. Recruitment companies also need to find potential customers, and a strong signal for that is companies that are hiring. If a company is posting relevant jobs, that can be a signal that they might need to hire more candidates, of course, with more speed or support in that hiring process. Agents can help to find those companies, understand what roles they are hiring for, check if they are relevant, identify decision makers, find contact details, structure the company into a project, and prepare the outreach. So instead of manually going from job ad to company research to LinkedIn to contact data to CRM, more of that process can be handled in one connected workflow by the agents. That is where agents become useful. They are not just generating text, they are executing steps, finding information, structuring information, and they are moving information and helps to push the process forward. The third part is parallel workflows. This is where it starts to become much more powerful because a recruitment company does not only need one search, it needs multiple processes running at the same time. One agent can work on candidate acquisition for one role, another can work on client acquisition in a specific market, another can find decision makers, another can enrich contact data, another can prepare outreach, and that is the direction we see. Instead of one person manually doing one step at a time, you can start moving toward multiple workflows running in parallel. And for recruitment companies, that matters a lot because both sides of the business are acquisition heavy. You need the candidate flow, you need the customer flow, and both usually require a lot of computer-based work. Search, research, data, lists, projects, outreach preparation. And that is exactly the type of work agents are becoming better at. That is also the next layer of what we are building with our platform InstTalent. The platform already helps recruitment companies move much faster through these flows. Now the next step is making more of it agentic, so you can prompt what you need, start a workflow, and agents work for you through the whole process. Candidate acquisition, client acquisition, decision makers, contact data, projects, outreach preparation, of course, and that running every single day. So that is the simple version. AI agents in recruitment are not interesting because they can write a better message. They are interesting because they can start running the acquisition workflows around recruitment, finding candidates, finding companies, finding decision makers, finding contact data, structuring projects, preparing outreach, and doing more of it continuously, and doing the outreach and actually scheduling call as well. That is the direction we are building with InstTalent. So if you're running a recruitment company and want to test it, you can try InstTalent for free for 7 days in the link here below. And don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.